Worried about your toddler rolling out of bed at night? Imagine a simple, effective way to keep your little one safe without the cold, cage-like feel of traditional metal bed rails. The foam bed bumper offers a gentle, cozy barrier that protects your child while they sleep. No harsh edges, no bulky frames, just soft, secure comfort. When we switched to a big boy bed for our son, the height made me nervous. Pillows weren't cutting it, they kept falling off, and he still rolled dangerously close to the edge. I didn't want to wedge the bed against the wall because it made changing sheets a hassle. That's when I found this foam bed bumper. It arrived in a handy carry bag and puffed up fully within a couple of hours. Installation was effortless. Just slide it under the fitted sheet, and it stays put thanks to the silicone beaded non-skid fabric. That night, I finally slept without constantly checking on him. It's made a real difference, and now we're ordering a second one for the other side of the bed. What makes this foam bumper stand out? It's not just comfortable, it's responsibly manufactured and rigorously tested for safety, durability, and emissions. Certified by ASTM and CSPIA, it's free from phthalate and BPA, ensuring your child isn't exposed to harmful chemicals. Plus, the water-resistant, washable cover makes cleanup a breeze, so it stays fresh and hygienic. Whether you have a toddler bed, twin, full, queen, or king-size mattress, this bumper fits seamlessly. Just avoid elevated bunk or loft beds for safety reasons. If you're ready to upgrade your child's bedtime safety without sacrificing comfort or style, this foam bed bumper is worth a look. It's easy to install, remove, and maintain, giving you peace of mind and your toddler a cozy, secure space to sleep. Try it when you're ready, and enjoy the relief of a safer night's rest for your whole family.